Price action has been more than satisfactory for Indian markets, and frankly, the fact that we are at an all-time high, we are consolidating. You get one big day, then markets consolidate, but the bias, I guess, is clearly on the upside. So there were three factors at play, which in a sense were pushing the bulls back. One was global volatility, which seems to be stabilizing. Second was FI selling, which seems to be on our favor. And third is this entire action and excitement which is happening in the IPO market and the SME market, which I think continues. But 2 out of 3 concerns or impediments or the bump on the road, I think in the near term are getting addressed. B, we must recognize that the sectoral churn in the market has happened, and I think it is an ongoing process because the global weather patterns are changing. When I say weather pattern, I'm not talking about global warming, I'm talking about weather patterns for the financial market, and which is getting reflected in the way our financials are making a comeback, how some of the FMCG stocks are making a comeback, and how now metal stocks and commodity stocks are getting ready for a rally. So the big message from the market is that you stay invested. I think the global concerns have taken a backseat. Momentum, I think financials have rediscovered momentum. Metals could rediscover momentum going forward, and FMCG is already in some kind of an outperformance mode.
Yeah, absolutely. But the big one, of course, yesterday, which caught everyone's eye, was the Bajaj Finance housing listing. And what a debut. I mean, on listing day, it managed to clock in that 1 lakh crore rupee market cap already.
Yeah, Aisha, it is not the percentage gain. Look, it was expected to win stellar listing. And, it went up the most permissible limit, which was 20%. It may go higher today as well. But the fact that the market cap, this franchise has created, it has just come out of thin air. I mean, 1 lakh crore is no mean feat. It has taken, Indian hotels' entire lifetime of couple of years of listing, a couple of, decades of stock market presence to reach that coveted mark of 1 lakh crore. Similarly, Apollo Hospital, just about reaching 1 lakh crore. Info Edge, I'm just talking about companies just to, tell our viewers that what is the importance of 1 lakh crore. And here's Bajaj Finance, or Bajaj Housing Finance, a subsidiary of Bajaj Finance, a 10-year-old business, not even a 10-year business. The promoter creates value and the markets are rewarding it. So that is the way in which markets right now perhaps are rewarding, and they in a sense are realizing wherever good businesses are getting created. Now for our viewers, which is very important, what do? It's very hard to make a case that you want to buy into Bajaj Finance after that bumper listing. Why? Because the risk reward ratio clearly is not going to be something which could be called as favorable. I mean, the stock has actually doubled, and it may go up more. So a franchise like Bajaj Housing Finance needs to be bought when there is bad news, when there is stress in the market, and that's the time you do not want to make the mistake of not buying it. So right now, don't do the mistake of chasing the stock, but when the stock falls, do not do the mistake of not buying the stock, because good businesses bought at a time of distress, they always make money, but good businesses bought at the time of euphoria never make money.